How to define a professional camera stabilizer? With a variety of devices and accessories to meet the flexible and versatile using needs of the shooting team, Scorpion Pro gives the answer. With design of modular body, it can carry up to 4.8 kilograms of weight, creating multiple possibilities for shooting. The grip tripod minimizes the body's center of gravity. The multifunctional suspension grip provides a solid sense of control regardless of different angle shooting and different grip styles. Separate handle can be used as a remote control to control shots remotely, making teamwork easy. Vertical shooting mounting base could achieve true vertical shooting. Dual motorized follow focus wheels that can customize damping and simulate a variety of handedness, which achieves an unprecedented interactive experience. 3 ABC autofocus mark points can accurately complete the follow focus stroke and set the stabilizer to automatically rotate in 3 attitudes. The upgraded motor provides stronger torque. With the W9 new generation quadratic stabilization algorithm, the Scorpion Pro can ensure that the picture is stable and smooth in large load. There is a touchscreen at the top of handle, which makes view information at a glance. The stabilizer parameters can be set independently of the app and set the camera parameters directly. Memory center of gravity red dot, making leveling faster. The design of 5-way center of gravity retractable arm makes it easy to carry larger devices and keep the loading space compact at all times. The bottom of the body is equipped with ARCA quick release and threaded holes, which expands more auxiliary equipment to complete a richer shot. Feiyu Scorpion Pro, modular all-in-one stabilizers. Exploring the way of stable image. Be your right-hand man to creative inspiration.